Hi everyone, for today's video I'm gonna be adding a chlorine stabilizer to my above ground pool. So this is a Clorox Pull and Spa chlorine stabilizer. I've been using this for 3 years already because you don't really need much. This is actually a 100% cyanuric acid. If you look over here. And the purpose of the chlorine stabilizer is it actually reduces the sun's impact on your chlorine. So it's kind of serves like a sunscreen for your chlorine so that it lasts longer in your water. So it's easier to maintain your chlorine level with a chlorine stabilizer. Without a chlorine stabilizer, what happens is once the sun hits your pool water, your chlorine dissipates quickly. So if you look at the back, you're gonna see a guide on how much you need to reach 30 ppm. So basically, if you just add water to your above ground pool, you start with 0. So in order for me to reach 30 ppm, if I have 4,000 gallon pool, I'm gonna need 1 pound. But my pool is only about 1,900 gallons. For me, I just need half a pound to reach 30 ppm. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you look at the back, the preferred application is adding it to your skimmer, but my pool does not have a skimmer. So what I'll do is put this in a sock, because if you just pour this into the water, you're gonna notice that this is not going to dissolve. So what I do is I'll put this in a sock, okay, like this, and then I'll just put it into the pool. Okay, so what you want to do is put the sock in your pool, and you can leave it here for a few minutes. I left this here for about half an hour. So what I'll do is just basically just squeeze it. See right now, it's mixing quickly into the water. You know, it looks cloudy right now, but that thing's gonna clear up once it mixes everything into the water. So just go like this. See that? Okay, and let me go ahead and just use a bucket to mix everything up. So there you go. See right now, it's so clear and you don't really see the white powder anymore. So that's how you add the cyanuric acid into your pool. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel.